Trader, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you here to our new session. I'm Simon Gunn, and today is Wednesday, traders. Wednesday is here, ladies and gentlemen, the third day of the week, and we're excited here to start our live, trader. So, we will remind you guys that trading is difficult and very, very risky endeavor. For that reason, we encourage you guys to trade on a demo account. Yes, it's important to trade on the demo account. Or if you have to use the real money, just a tiny amount, tiny amount of money, trader, because trading is very, very risky. Before we move forward, I need to welcome those in French, ladies and gentlemen. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue encore sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samin Gon et aujourd'hui c'est mercredi soir. Très excité d'être encore ici une fois de plus, chers traders. Et aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer à apprendre à trade. N'oubliez pas, nous sommes ici pour apprendre à trade. Alors, nous vous encourageons à trade avec un compte démo ou bien Pro Firm, comme on l'appelle, ou en d'autres termes, vous pouvez, si vous voulez utiliser le real money, vous utilisez un tout petit peu, très petit, voilà, comme moi-même je le fais. Donc ne pensez pas que c'est le moment de faire l'argent, chers traders. Donc nous allons commencer à faire une analyse. Let's start with analysis, ladies and gentlemen here. Let's start with analysis. And let's go to our daily chart, trader. We gotta see what the market's giving us here. Yesterday went up and now we came back down. We're having now a small uptrend. Green candle. Small green candle started here. So we see that we're going down. So, and we now move a little bit up, and that is our daily chart. Let's go to our 4 hours. Our 4 hours here, traders, we see that we are going. Let me see, 4 hours. You see our 4 hours here. We're now rejected from the lower, and we're trying to climb a little bit up in our 4 hours, right, trader? You can see our 4 hours here. So, and on GBP here, we're trying to come down. So we're pushing down on GBP. Also on Australian Japanese. But the other guy, we're trying now to come up. So let's now when are we going to check how we're going to look at market at the uptrend? Traders, gotta look at our market at the uptrend today. Traders, gotta be careful because we are the low. So we look at the market, our market at the uptrend. So I want to welcome you guys who are already connected to our channel. Yes, today is Wednesday and we are already here. By the grace of God, we thank you. We thank Him to be here every day, and we ask Him to bless our channel. Yep, because we're here to help. We're not selling anything here to anybody. So we are learning how to trade, and we encourage you guys to trade on a demo account or Pro Firm account. I have multiple Pro Firm here account, but here is the real money. I'm trading with a small tiny account, trader. So, and I have a Pro Firm. The Pro Firm, you can pay them $100. They give you $10,000 trading account. It's true, it's a demo account, but it's a, you know, you have a risk on it. So we can also encourage you guys to have that. It will prevent you to lose money. Let's go now to our 5-minute trader. I'm excited here because I solved my problem of microphone. I'm very, very happy because that problem was disturbing me a lot. I don't know what to do, but I find the solution of I bought another microphone, but the solution wasn't to buy the microphone. The solution was just to solve the problem I had. That problem was the third-party software I install in my computers, because I have so many things in my computer. I have 4 monitors, as you can see. Maybe some people haven't seen I can show you my setup here. You can see. See, I have 4 monitors. This 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 monitors here, traders. You can see there that I have 4 monitors, and those monitors, you know, I need to. So I have 4 monitors, and that is what I'm trading from. You can see, which is great, trader. So now I install Discord. You guys know Discord a lot. You know, I know that you guys know Discord. That is the Discord I was activating all over the time for our chat room, and that is the Discord was disturbing me, causing me all those problems. You know, so I solved that problem, and solving it by turning off Discord, and it helped me now to solve that problem, traders. So we now at above the 20 EMA, and it's already time. Let me take now the long position here and place my wow, it looks like there is a lot of spread in the market. Now I'm going long, trader. I took a long position. A lot of spread in the market, trader. So I took a long position here and placing my stop below. Place my stop below here, trader. I'm going long right away. Placing my stop below here. My stop below. So I'm going long, trader. Let's watch and see. I'm going long. My trade. Taking a long position. It's my 6th trade. Let's see. All our technical analysis above. Let's see. I took a long position right away. I'm going to hold it to see. Above the 20. Gotta be patient here and wait and see how our trade going to behave. You're watching. Watching. Let's check. Trader, we're moving up. Let's see Australia Japanese. For watching. We're moving up slowly. Trader, want to see a break? See the pullback. Trader, I'm already in on 6 trade for long. J'ai pris 6 trades sur le long. On va voir ce qui va se passer. On va voir. Comment la descente maintenant. coming back down, close to my stop. Trader. My stop is closed on US Japanese. Let's see if you go to new lower, I'll be out of the trade. I don't expect this big move down. So let's see. I'm out of US Japanese with a loss. Trader, I don't expect this one. I don't expect it because when I see the big move like this one down and rejection on the 4 hours, I was expecting instead to have a continuation up. I mean the reversal up, but unfortunately I don't get it. So let me see the other trade, trader. Let me see. Go Japanese broke here. If you reject, we'll see. Let's see. That is my first losing trade. Let's see the other one. Keep coming back down. Continuation down. Let's see. My second one gotta be GBP, probably. So if that is the case, I will be getting out of the trade here, trader. I'm getting out of all my trade, taking this loss. I don't expect this. Anyway, that is my first losing trade, trader. Our trade are moving down. So sell Japanese. So Japanese are coming to break as well. So we're moving down. So we see a continuation down. Let's see. First losing trade, trader. I'm going to see here what we're gonna have. Pet. This guy here, I want to see a pullback, some kind of pullback here. We're Japanese, also on the support. The other guys, I'm not giving up with the long. Gotta wait. I'm not taking a short here, trader. I let him keep going. I don't want to follow him down. Let's see. Maybe. Gotta wait. I gotta see all those trade breaking, even Australia Japanese, before I think about short. If I see Australia Japanese breaking, now I will be able to think about short position. That was our first losing trader. Gotta keep trying. Let's see Australia Japanese. I'm gonna try another one here. Trader, I will try another long position here. I'm trying a lot of long position. Maybe I'm jumping the gun. Trying a long position at this level. I'm not asking you to do what I'm doing. You know, it's a lot of risk. So I took another long position. I'm not placing my stop far away. My stop is just close. Place my stop there. Very tiny stop. Keep coming down, I will be out of the trade. That is my risk. To catch up the former high. So that is my stop here. It's not a big stop, just a small tiny stop. If you keep coming down, I will be out of the trade. So let's see now a reversal. We may continue down. It's possible. It's really possible. But I have a tiny stop. Hopefully I won't take my second losing trade here. You know, trading is just a probability. You know, it's a probability. Nobody knows. Sometimes you see that the pattern show this clearly, but it doesn't do what you think. You know, that is why sometimes you gotta do the opposite. One master trader told us when in maybe 4 years ago or 3 years ago, you were telling us that, hey, you need always to do opposite of what you're thinking. Yeah, just do the opposite. Do the opposite what most of the people think. You do the opposite of that. You know, and sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. You know, sometimes you do the opposite, it works. Sometimes you do the opposite, it doesn't work. Many people, everybody, if I can say, many people, because it broke here, many people are going to take the continuation down. Many people, maybe 90%. But I gotta be few of the people taking the opposite for the reversal. That is what I mean. Because 90% of people see that it's a downtrend. But I'm taking the gains. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it works when you follow the trend. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So you have just to do what at that moment your mind tells you to do. My mind are telling me to go long, and I'm going long. I know it's crazy because this probably will go 90% or 80% showing that it's going down. But I decided to go against, which is not good. But I prefer to go against because sometimes big shot come and they see the trend like this. They know many people are going to do that, and they reverse. Because there are people outside there sitting somewhere who make the trade to move. Because we as a small retailers, we are too small. We don't have the buying power. There are central banks, there are hedge funds, there are a lot of companies. They have billions and they throw into the market. And sometimes when they see that a lot of people are already, join the movement a lot of people, a lot of buyers or a lot of sellers are already there. That is the time they jump in, just to catch up because they need a lot of pool, a big pool to sell or to buy. Sometimes it happens that way because you ask yourself, what is this trade? This how can I say? This setup used to work 90% or 95%, but today it didn't work. Why? It's because people also are sitting on the sideline, they wait to see a pool, and they jump on it. That is how it works. Sometimes we're wrong, sometimes we're right. That is why trading, you would never say that you master trading, because trading it gotta remain forever a game of probability. You never know what's gonna happen next, and you don't have to know. You don't have to. Don't have to know. So I was talking about that trader. His name is Mebarak. Those who heard about him, Mebarak. You have TradeNet. Now it's not longer popular online, but it was trading in the 2020. I mean, before even that time. I've been trading for 20 years. So that I'm talking about him. He had been trading for more than 20 years. That is how it works. So let's see our trade here. They keep coming down. Trader. Maybe I'm right, I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm going to take a loss again for the second time. Yeah. And trading is more psychology than practical. Trading. Those who understand trading, they're going to understand that. Trading is a psychology, more psychology than any other thing. I can recommend you to read the book of Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone, right by Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas wrote Trading in the Zone. It's a very, very, very nice book. I read that book. I don't know how many times. Maybe more than 10 times. Or Psychology of Trading. All those books, he wrote them. So Matt Douglas is a big, but he dead, but he wrote those books for trading, and they help a lot of people for psychology. If you want to understand the psychology in trading, you gotta read Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone is a very nice book, So I can recommend you guys that book. I read a lot of books in trading, man. I study a lot. As I was saying, I started trading the stock market, and I'm still trading the stock now. It's just that I don't have enough time at this moment. But I trade the stock market a lot. I bought courses. People who knows the big trader they call Rose Cameron. Rose Cameron. Our trading is going. It's moving in the right direction. Trader, nice. We like it. We like the movement, and we want to go up to breaking this resistance. Trader, that is what I want. I want to break the resistance and go into. This is my target here. My target gotta be this level here. So the 200 EMA, but this one 200 is here. So let's see. Hopefully we're gonna get it. So I was talking about Ross Cameron. You know, he's a very nice, talented trader in the world, in the US. People who don't know him, you can Google him, Ross Cameron, you will know. I've been his student for a long time, you know. So I bought courses for him. Bought courses from all over the world, man. Even for the courses I haven't bought a lot is this Forex. I bought courses for Forex, but not like I did on the stock market. Yeah. So keep moving up, trader. Nice reversal. So some people will even get out here. Nice reversal here. It means that I was right. I was right. Imagine that I took it for continuation down. What could happen? I was right. You know, sometimes it's like this. Trading is probability. It's not because I knew that it could have done this. No, I don't know. Trader, I don't know. But I just try. Because it's a probability, game of probability. That is what I can tell you. If I tell you that I knew that this trade going to do what it's doing right now, I'm lying to you. I don't know the future. So I was just guessing and it ended up working. I know I can lose this trade again. It can reverse here right away and keep going back down. It's possible. Maybe 50% possible, even more. More 50, you know. Maybe 70% possible to go back down. I know if he does it, I'm gonna lose the trade. I'm not getting out here. So, j'ai beaucoup parlé en anglais. Voilà. Il disait que j'ai pris ce trade, je ne savais pas qu'il devait monter. J'ai seulement prétendu, bon, et probablement ça va marcher ou bien je vais toujours perdre parce que ça peut rentrer vers le bas ici. Donc, comme je disais, il y a un grand trader qui m'avait conseillé, il m'a dit que chaque fois, des fois, surtout quand tu es nouveau, quand tu penses aller en haut, il faut aller en bas. Voilà, il me l'a dit. Et ça se vérifie souvent parce que les nouveaux ont toujours tendance à prendre le contraire. Voilà. So, we move it down again. I'm still holding here, trader. Donc c'est ça. Nous allons continuer à arrêter notre trade. Voilà. Nous allons continuer à arrêter notre trade. It's hard to hold on the winning trade. Trader. Very, very difficult. Holding on the winning trade is 3 times difficult than holding on the losing trade. It's easier for people to hold on the, I can even say 10 times, because 3 times is small. 10 times. Yep, 10 times. Because when the trade is coming against you, you have hope that they're going to reverse. That is what makes some people moving their stops. They keep moving the stop backward, and they keep buying again. They say they're buying the deep. That is why they say. So many people do that, and they keep holding. You will see somebody, because the stock or the trade is coming against him, he will hold that trade for hours. He doesn't cut his losses. It's not only on the trade, even on your day-to-day life. Many people do that in their life. They prefer holding, on something which doesn't work. All right, I'm now turning red here, trader. That is what I was saying, that I can still lose this trade, but it's possible, because the trade might turn here and keep coming back down. So this is my stop here at this guy. If he break here, I will be out of the trade. Trader, I don't want to risk. Let me put it here. I don't want to risk much on this trade. If he break, I will be going out. So I'm holding here, and also I can't just jump out of the trade because they already gave me a couple of dollars. I need to hold on the trade to go to my target, or even though it doesn't reach my target, but you can just go toward it, even close to it, it will be fine. Let's see. We're going to have a new low. We don't want to see a new low. We want to see a rejection. We want to see a rejection. Rejection now. Another candle moving up. Donc, je disais que le trading est plus psychologique que pratique. Donc, lorsque vous avez la psychologie du trading, ça vous aide à travailler plus calmement. Voilà. C'est pour cette raison que je vous recommande un livre intitulé Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone. Voilà, c'est un livre en anglais. Pour ceux qui lisent anglais, je ne crois pas qu'il y a une copie en français. Donc, Trading in the Zone, ça a été écrit par Mark Douglas. Donc, il est déjà décédé. Donc, mais il a écrit un très beau livre. J'ai lu ce livre plus de 10 fois. Voilà. Donc, c'est un beau livre. Ça parle de la psychologie. Comment est-ce que vous pouvez avoir une bonne psychologie dans le trading. C'est un beau livre. Donc, nous espérons que notre trade va monter. Nous espérons. We hope that our trade will keep going up. Trader. We hope that. Want to see our trade going up. Want to see a continuation up. Et je disais qu'il est très facile de se maintenir dans une perte que dans un gain. Oui, c'est vrai. Très peu de gens savent arrêter le trade lorsque ça vient contre eux, mais ils n'arrivent pas à arrêter quand ça gagne. Voilà, c'est ça. Comme ça. C'est la nature humaine. The approaching A. Really? We lost our first round. Watching. Want to see continuation up. Keep holding here for the upside. I'm still holding. Want to see Australia breaking above the 20. Want to see all our trade above 20. We took a good entry, traders. It was earlier, but wasn't bad. I need to give you a clear view of our chart because we are trading together. Watching. We're watching, trader. Want to see our trade above the 50? Watching, we're approaching 8 p.m. Eastern time. Less than 50 minutes to 8. Good move. We already reached 50. Let's see. Some part if you're going to break 50. Let's watch. Is he holding? Put in here to see. You never know. You might have a spike. Put it on 50. If we break a little bit, I will be out of the trade. Let's see. I don't know if you can place another green candle. Let's see. It's possible. Hope to have another green candle. Share trade on continue à arrêter nos trades. J'espère voir notre bougie verte. Let's see. Maybe we may have it. Who knows? I'm still in, still holding. As I said, it's hard to hold on the winning trade. So we enter our trade here. Our entry was lower here, and now we're moving up. Trader, We're having a small pullback there. So let's see. Want to see another good candle above. Now we're getting the resistance, which is good. I'm trying to see if I can break. Otherwise, on this resistance, you know, let's see if I can break at this resistance, trader. Don't want to see a rejection. We already break on the other guys. Yep, we're moving. Nice. Nice move. Continuation. Great. Nice. Nice move, trader. Nice. Want to keep going up. Keep going. Nice move. Let's see. Want to see a continuation up. And Australia already hit here, trader. Australia, I don't know if Australia going to break here. I'm going to take this small one because I may see a pullback here at this point, which is great. It's good. I went out of all my trade. There is a beautiful trade. I don't know if Australia going to break there. I need to see. And we're approaching 8. I gotta wait and see. Because when I'm already on the resistance like this and reject a little bit here, as I see here on the resistance, it's not bad to take a profit, trader. If I had a lot of trade, a lot of unit, I could have take my partial, but I don't have way to take a partial here. I prefer to get out of the resistance. These are, all of these are resistance, you know. So I better lock in my profit here. Lock in my profit. Congratulations also for those who took it with me. I don't recommend it because it was dangerous, but if you guys took it, you can congratulate yourself too, and I congratulate you because it's not easy. So let's watch now the market. Let's wait. Maybe you might face now a pullback, a real one. So this was a beautiful trade, a 10-trade bond trade. This what I was saying, that trading is probability. Trading is probability. You will never know what may happen. You know, you just need to play the trade, trader. Just have to place it. You don't know the outcome, just go ahead and place it. And you don't have to know. You don't have to. Because every trade is very unique. You will never know the outcome of the trade before you move. So you see that we're right to take our profit here on this resistance. We're right. So it wasn't bad to take a profit there. On a pris notre profit ici, c'était pas mal, c'était bien joué. Vous voyez comment nous avons le retour, la bougie rouge maintenant. Voilà, c'est ça. Je vais attendre que 20 heures sonne. Il est moins de 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Ce sera 20 heures. Donc, je vais voir. J'attends. pour voir la direction du marché. You seen the pullback now, trader? It's okay. Less than 2 minutes. We encourage you guys, those who are new to our channel, go ahead and like our video and subscribe. We are here every day except Friday and Saturday. We tune in here 7 p.m. Eastern time every single day. Sorry. So we encourage you guys to go ahead and subscribe. You know, it will help our, when you like our video, that's going to help our channel, our new channel, you know. So it's a very young channel, new one. We hope you need support, and you guys are the only one that support our channel, because this is a free channel. So soon, gotta be less than a minute. So let's see. Now it's 8:11. Let's see the direction of the market. Want to see maybe a flush or reversal. Great. Want to go to the long. If you break here, I will go long. I'm watching. You see a break, I'll go long, and China moving down. Holding, we want to flush. Let's see. Flushing. If you hold here, I'm going to go long. Look like it's holding there. I go long and place my stop below. Gotta wait. Gotta wait again. Pretty sorry. Let's see. Holding here. I could have feel comfortable if this trade could have come here. Below. Watching. Watching. Need to wait and see the direction, the real one. It's not every day going to jump the gun, trader. If you did it for the first time, it worked. Don't think that you can redo it again and again. So let's see. Maybe our trade will come down till the support. Trader holding here. Would I enter the trade? Maybe placing our stop here, trader. I'm in. I'm going long, trader. Going long on my trade. And place my stop here below. My stop gotta be below here, trader. Let's move FC. Watching, trader. Want to go to the new high. Forgot to take this guy. Watching. Let's see. Want to see the break, continuation up, upside continuation, trader. Want to see upside continuation. Want to see the break, new high to Australia because Tokyo market just opened. We might have more volume. Want to see the break and continuation up. Great move, trader. Let's move on. Let's move on, trader. Move on, new high. Sorry. I'm still holding here. I'm still holding. Still holding here. I'm still holding. Want to see a break. I'm still holding. It's hard to hold on winning trade, so I'm still holding here. Want to see a break and continuation up. Going back down. I'm holding. I'm holding here. Never know. Might see a reversal. If we come back down, I'm gonna take a loss here. On va voir. Hopefully we have a reversal there. Want to see a rejection? I'm still holding. Don't know what we're gonna get. Keep coming down. I can't predict this trade. I don't know what may happen. Maybe it might keep coming down and break the support. Who knows? I left money on the table a lot, but it's okay because I wanted more. Let's see if we can get it. Otherwise, I'm going to take a loss. If you don't hold on the winning trade, it gotta be difficult for you to make money. Yep, gotta be very difficult. Make money. Want to see our trade turning green? Want to see our trade turning green here? Really? oregano trade. Australian Japanese want to trade, which is great. Want to see Australian Japanese going up. Want to see our trade turning green. Keep coming, pushing back down. We are pushing down. Coming down. So it look like our trade are coming down. So let's see. Look like our trade are coming down. Let's hope for a rejection. Pushing back down. That was exactly what we're expecting upside. If we take a loss here, trader will be able to start checking out trade, maybe for the direction it will take. Hopefully, will not do it. Look like our trade are going down. I'm still holding here. Hopefully we'll see a rejection. Pull back. No. No way to see pull back. Trade look like they're coming completely down. Gotta see holding here. We don't know if for real they're going down. Let's see. That is why we say trading is difficult. Trading is very, very difficult because you can be on the winning trade and that winning trade completely become a very big losing trade. Yeah. Just require just a minute of distraction or not taking your profit. Now things change. That is how it is. So let's see. Want to see a pullback if possible. Want to see our trade pulling back. Want to see our trade pulling back. Great. Want to see Australia Japanese going to new high. Nice with Australia Japanese. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, trader. Great. Want to keep moving and go and break. Expecting those trade to break to go to the new high, trader. Let's keep holding. Let's see our trade going to a new high. So Japanese, we need to break completely. Let's keep holding here. Maintain the wall or two. Voyez notre bougie verte s'aligner vers le haut. Want to see another green candle up. Watching. Want to see Australia Japanese going to a new high. Turning green. I'm still holding here, trader. Expecting the break. Australia doing great. Want to see our trade turning green? Here is the way to babysit in a trade. I'm watching. Still holding. Going back down. Want to see Australia going to new high? Australia breaking. Rejection. Coming back down, trader. Not easy. At this point, I don't really know which direction this trade gonna take. The only thing I can do is to stay on the trade and watch, because trading being a probability game, you will never know. You might decide to get out of the trade right now because you're getting threat. You know, you know, the trade is threatening you to come against you. Who told you that maybe you will not take your direction? It's just a threat. Nobody knows. multiple times I went out of the trade, you know, like this, because I was feeling scared. I get out of the trade. As soon as I get out of the trade now take my direction and more. So as a result, you need to trust your entry and stick on your plan. That's it. You know, and let the rest, you know, move. There's nothing you can do. I don't want to fall again on the trap. I prefer losing the trade with a huge loss than getting out of the trade, because I don't know the outcome of this trade. I don't know it. I'm still holding here. Australia having hard time to break. I don't know if you definitely got a break. I don't know. For watching. Want to see our trade moving up. China doing better. Australia is breaking. Good break on Australia, Japanese here. Trader. Australia break. Nice move with Australia. Good small move. Want to see where Japanese also above the 20. Nice move. Keep holding. Moving up. Nice. Want to see a break? Breakout. Want to see a break? Want to see a break, new high, without trade? They can do it. Can do it, trader. Want to see China going to new high? Si tu joues dans le trade, continue à monter. Bien. Want to see a break and continuation up. Nice. Want to see a break. Nice. Australia, want to see Australia touching the 200. That is my target. Australia Japanese on 200. That is my target. I'm waiting to see another move. Nice. Great. I want to see if you can break there. I want to see. Can pass through. No. Nice. I want to see. Okay, I'm taking here, trader. It's not easy. Taking there. Took that profit here. Trader. It's better than nothing. So that was my entry point at the lower here. Enter here, it went up. trying to break. It came back down. It came again. So maybe you're gonna break. I gotta wait. Nice trade. Let's see if we're gonna have a break. If we break here, now we'll start seeing where we can re-enter the trade. Or if we don't break, now we have a break here, trader. Almost. We're breaking up. We already break on euro. Let's see. And this is very dangerous because we don't know where it gotta start. I gotta reduce now my quantity here. I'm reducing it. Taking it lower. So that is China here. Let's see. Let's see if we'll see a reversal. I don't know. Or continuation. If I see a reversal here, I'm going to jump on it. Nine approaching. Put back my quantity on. I haven't make money enough to reduce my size. Haven't break my. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can go short soon. This is so I'm trying to go short on Australia here. I'm taking the short on Australia and those guys. I'm taking short. I don't hesitate. Let's see. If it keep going up, I will take a loss. Place my stop here. I'm going short, trader. So let's see. Short position. Two short position. So we're going to have a reversal. I'm just trying. Look like my platform is freezing here. Open now. Let's see. Want to see our trade coming back down. Want to see our trade below the 20. Let's say Japanese. Hopefully we won't see any rejection. Want to see below the 20. Want to see Australia down. Nice. See a rejection. And see holding. Australia is delaying to come down. It's a little bit dangerous to here. We don't know if we're going to have a rejection and continuation up. I'm taking this small one. I don't know because I may have rejection here at the 20 and moving up. So I prefer to get out here, this one, and I'll wait, because I think it's a trap there. If you come back down, that's fine. I'll wait. I prefer to, because most of the time, sometimes you used to reverse at 20. Hear me? I wait. If you come all the way back down, that's fine. I will keep in that small profit. Because we're having now high, 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 low, and high, high, and high, low. Like here, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. I don't know, same thing. We might have a reversal at this level at 20 and turn back up. There is a possibility. I don't want to be trapped, on the way there. If you break there, you come down, okay. I'll wait for him at the support. Sorti de mes trades. Break even. Watching trader. This what I was talking about. That we may see the green candle here. Putting back up. There's the possibility of doing that. Look like we're breaking. Watching. coming back down. Coming down, trader. I was on the right trade, but couldn't know it, couldn't hold it. Yeah. So now we're here at the lower. Let's wait and see if we see reversal signal. Let's see. We're not going to go down completely. Let's see. See a rejection from the low. Gotta wait and see if it's not going to continue down. If Australia going to hold here. I'm waiting for another candle to place. If this candle closes, now we'll see the next one. We have less than 2 minutes for the candle to close. That will show me approximately the direction of the market. I want to see the other candle. Waiting to see. I'm waiting to see next candle. This candle closing. Where it closing is it mattered to me a lot. Let's see the next candle. Okay, this is the second candle. I'm going long here, trader. I'm going long. I wanted to see another candle merging. So I took a long position, and my stop gotta be below here, trader. So my stop gotta be here. Stop gotta be here. This one as well. Nice move, trader. I need to place my stop first. Nice move. Nice move. So let's see. Let's see. Nice. Australia have to go to new high, trader. Want to see Australia going to a new high? There's a big resistance there. Very big resistance on Australia. I'm not sure that they're gonna go. I prefer taking my profit here because that for Australia is too big there to break. I'm watching it here in my other screen. So let's see if it break. Gotta be fine. Gotta wait to see if I gotta break there, go to new high. Now we jump on it. Gotta be fine for me. Let me see. Was a good small trade. Australia is breaking. Let's see. It's past 9 here already. Continue à passer ici. J'ai fait un petit trade. C'était bon. Pas grand chose. Australia breaking. GBP is breaking also. But it's still on the resistance area. Australia is breaking. Rejection, Australia. Big rejection. Say that Australia had a big wall there. Yeah, going down. We're going down. Sometimes taking your profit so quick is not too bad. Let's see if we have a break. Let's see if we're going to have a breakdown. You gotta be careful. We might have continuation breakdown here. Got that kind of rejection. No, it's not good. Ce rejet est très inquiétant pour nous. On peut avoir un retour vers le bas. Et casser le support, c'est possible. Nous avons vu un gros rejet. On approche USD Japanese, le break. If USD Japanese break here, I'm going to go short. When I see USD Japanese, if we break here, I'm going to go short USD Japanese. But I need to be careful also for the rejection. Japanese on the support, and still I have to be careful. Even though I see a green candle, that green candle can be fake because that rejection from the low or from the high. You need to be careful, and also because Australian Japanese doesn't come down, you need to be careful. Also, so indecisions. If Australian Japanese continue here for the upside, it will be fine. Reducing my number here, it's important. You need to see. I'm trying to see if Australia plays next candle here. Side here green, a little bit higher. It will be fine for me. Can go long. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I'm going long here with a small unit, just a little bit, tiny one. I went long just with a tiny, just two guys. That's it, nothing major. Taking these two. Don't want to risk more. Those two are better for me. Going to see Australia going to the new high, continuation. I will jump. This one also take it down. I'm trying this one also. This is my stuff here. Want to see Australia continue up. Watching. I don't place my stuff here. Watching upside. I have just a couple of trade, 3 trade. Those are enough. I took my size down. Let's see. Nice move. Great. Good move. Good move. Nice. Nice trader. I'm in. Took this small one. I'm just taking a small profit trader, which is not bad. So I can say that overall this evening was good with the accuracy. Wasn't bad. Accuracy was good. This evening is good. So even though I'm not taking too much, but accuracy, I can say that accuracy there. So Australia now, maybe I think it might pull back here. Australia Japanese may pull back here, probably. But let's see if it break. Continuation up. Now we may chase it upside. Let's see. We've been waiting the trade to break, to go to a new high. If he does it, gonna be fine. Sorry. Let's see Australia, what are we going to do now? Well, Australia on the big wall, big ceiling wall. So maybe we're going to see another reversal coming down of our trade. Coming down. I gotta diminish this one and see if I can take my trade on the short here. Gotta wait and see. Let me see this one here. Take just a small portion. Want to just take it small for the short. I want to wait the trade to come down again. Okay, it looks like we're going to the new high. Trader, looks like we're going to the new high here on USD Japanese. USD Japanese going to the new high, and also those guys, but we need to wait a little bit. You gotta pull away. Make sure that it's pulling away, because we don't want to see a rejection. You gotta see start pulling away from the resistance. Want to see continue pulling away. Don't want to see a rejection, because sometimes it does like this, it reject. Give it a break. I want to see it the continuation. see a rejection on US Japanese. We may also see a rejection on Australia Japanese. Want to see a complete breakout on Australia Japanese and start pulling away. If you do that, US Japanese rejecting. See a rejection on US Japanese. We're approaching 9:30. Let's see. Look like we're having some kind of something like a break on Australia Japanese. Want to see a complete break and pulling away. No rejection. Having a break. I already have a lower high. US Japanese is breaking as well. Let's see. All our trade are breaking here. Nice. Australia. Show that they are breaking. I want to see it pulling away. Great move on Australia Japanese. Want to see it moving away, not rejection. Don't want to see a rejection on Australia. Gotta wait and see. Got some kind of continuation with Australia Japanese. Gotta see if I can enter Australia Japanese here, trader. I'm in on Australia Japanese, just Australia Japanese. I'm placing my stop here below. The Australia Japanese. If you have a rejection, it's possible. USD Japanese, I want to see USD Japanese going to break. Let me see USD Japanese breaking here. The break, I will go long on USD Japanese. See your rejection, red candle. See a rejection on USD Japanese. Gotta be careful. See continuation. Gonna go long. USD Japanese. I'm in USD Japanese trader. My stop gotta be below the 150 simple moving average. I can place it here. It's not bad. Let's see. Australia also don't want to keep going. Want to see your Japanese moving up. Want to check another trade again. So Canadian also. GBP. see now rejection. See a rejection. I don't know if it's just a retest or it's a rejection. Okay, I'm gonna get out of the trade here. I'm getting out quickly. Trader, look like we have a rejection. Better. Getting out. Change now. Gotta wait. See clear. Look like we may have a rejection there. Look like it was just a retest. I don't know. But I expect those trades to pull back to here. Come back down. Approaching now 10. Let's see. We're approaching 9. Our trade keep going up slowly. Let's see. Want to see if this is the reversal. Gotta see. This is gotta be the reversal we're looking for. Want to see another candle, red. I'm placing my stop here. See if we're gonna have it. I wanna see a short trader. Just took a 0.01 macro lot. Let me see if I'm going to be right or wrong. If I'm wrong, that's fine. I'll get out of the trade. I'll keep my small profit. You won't take all my profit because I reduced my quantity. No problem. If it doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade. I won't break the bank. Doesn't work, that's fine. Gotta be out of the trade. So let's see. Approaching 10. If you break there, I'll be out of the trade with a loss. And that's it for today, trader. Let's see. Because we're on the resistance and we reject it. That is why I took a short. Hopefully we'll see a downtrend happening here. Want to see Australia down? Want to see a downtrend? We still have buyers on control here. Yep, buyers still in control, as you can see. Seller want to take control, but buyer don't leave it alone. You can see. If we see a break, it means that we're gonna go far, but I will stop there. I'm out of other guys, so you can see. So let me see if we're gonna have a break. Keep holding here. Might still fall down out of China. That is why sometimes it's important to reduce your size. Very, very important, because you never know. You may take the last trade trying to make a couple of dollars on it, but that kill you. You take all your profit back. So let's see. We're gonna go down. Buyer are still in control here, trader. Even though we're gonna go down, but buyer don't wanna hear it. That went through the. All right. You know, now you see how seller taking control. Want to see if it come down on China? I will go short again on China. Buyer don't want to hear it. Still on control. See holding here. I think this will come down and fast. Come down and fast. Quickly as we could have imagined. Australia is coming down. Approaching 10 p.m. I'm taking a short here again. One other time. Want to see buyer stepping aside, throwing the towel. Seller seems to take control now. Buyer sitting here on the 20. Yep. Buyers are sitting on the 20. We gotta expect this. Gotta expect rejection at the 20 unit. See holding here. I was sitting on the 20, hear me? Hopefully, it won't go far away. If you don't have enough force, the trade will come back down. I don't think that they're going to have it. Less than 2 minutes for 9. I mean for 10. Always talk about 9. 10 p.m. here, Eastern time. Buyer are still in control. Now, 10 p.m. Eastern time, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta hold on a little bit to trade and see the outcome. Please see my target. I don't know, but I'm placing it. Who knows the outcome of the trade? Nobody knows. I'm gonna come back down. Want to see our trade down. Nice small move down. Want to see our trade coming down. Nice. Another push again. Trade are coming down, which is great. So your rejection. Australia coming down. China want to come down. Want to see a break. Great. We're Japanese now. Australia doing great. Where Japanese hasn't done anything. Twitter. So I want to take this one here, probably, and walk away. Twitter. I want to take it here and walk away, and because it's already so I'm stopping here, trader, for today. It was a pleasure for me to trade. Nice day today. So I'm gonna close here. I don't know that I could have been green after losing my first trade. Sorry. So I'm stopping here. It's fine for today. Left money on the table, I know, but it's okay for today. Enough for today for me. Probably, I'm not sure if tomorrow we're gonna have, so our trade are coming back down, as you can see. It's okay. I took what I was supposed to take for me, so already 10. I don't know, probably we may have a session tomorrow morning. Maybe, I'm not sure, but you guys can check. So, trader, nous allons nous arrêter ici. Merci beaucoup pour la journée, pour la soirée, je vous l'ai dit. Ça a été bien. Donc, nous allons nous revoir demain à 19h, comme d'habitude. Non, demain c'est jeudi, dernier jour. Donc, ça serait demain à 21h30, 21h15. Voilà. So, tomorrow is Thursday, trader. Don't forget, tomorrow is 9:15. So, maybe tomorrow in the morning, we may have a session here. Peut-être demain matin, nous pourrons avoir quelque chose. Il faudra checker demain pour voir si nous pourrons avoir une session matinale. Voilà. Donc, passez de bons moments. Au revoir.